Hey everybody, and welcome to this video tutorial on SketchUp. Now in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at how to use the Follow Me tool to create some weird shapes slash cylinders and how we can use that to our advantage in future creations. So the first thing we need to do is delete our friend here. I'm going to call you Craig. Craig, goodbye. I love your shirt. So sad. Alright, next what we're going to do, just so we have a good way to see what we're working on, is I'm going to be creating a large wall here. Now the way I did that, if you didn't see, was I just went from here and I went up the blue axis like that, and I got the notification that it's on blue axis, and then I just dragged it out to green axis like that. And I have this nice wall. So in this wall, we're going to make sure that the shapes that we're creating or the angles that we're creating here or whatever we're doing here is going to work. So what I've done is I've clicked under the pencil tool here and I've selected this second option called 2-point arc. Now what I'm going to do with this 2-point arc is I click once to drop a point on the arc, and I'm going to click randomly on the face here and then click again, and I set the arc into place. Now maybe I want to do it again. Maybe I want to go up like that. And we're going to have a nice little loop here. And then, of course, I'm going to want it to go all the way down like that. Now you might be wondering, why did I do it like this? Well, if I was trying to freehand draw this, it's going to just go randomly in the air. Or if I'm trying to do it with the 2-point arc tool randomly in the air, it's going to get all messed up. So this gives me a good way to work on this plane. So next what I can do is I can delete all of these walls here just until we have our nice line set up. Once we have our line set up, what we can do is let's grab our circle tool that we used in the last video, and I'm just going to make a random size circle so you can see this demonstration. So here I have my circle and my arcs lined up. What I'm going to do here is where the push-pull is, we're going to select the follow me like when we made the sphere. And I'm going to select underneath this plane and I'm going to have it follow this line like that. And now you can see I've made a fanciful, weird noodle that doesn't look right. However, kind of is looking right, which is nice. I like it. But we can see if we try and do that, there we go. And now I'm getting full movement that it's following like that. And now I have this great noodly shape. Now, why would this be important? Well, for instance, if I wanted to say, I don't know, let's turn this into a slide. So I'm taking my 2-point arc tool, right? I'm going to want to remove, oh, you can see exactly how that happened. It didn't actually go on the face like I wanted. Which this might require you to try and move it around to see where you can go. So you can see here that I have this, and if I wanted to, I could pull this out just a little bit like that, or I could raise it like that, or if I use that follow me tool again, we can have it start taking lines out of here. So in this case, what I would want to do is I would actually want to try and trace a line on here to get it to follow, and it could work like that. Yay! Now one thing you might notice is that you aren't allowed to extrude on any curved surface. That's just a thing in SketchUp. It just won't let you do it. So please keep that in mind. Try building out some random noodly shapes using that follow me tool. It is very handy. You can also use it on regular plane surfaces as well. So let's check this out. So let's drop in a rectangle here, and then maybe I want my rectangle to follow this pattern. So you can see I thought I was going up. I wasn't. So we could go maybe like that. There we go. So we can see now that is going up. Follow me tool. And I just made a nice curved box without too many issues. Now, if I wanted to, I could also take this, push-pull it into oblivion, and now I have a very easy box that I have created that's angled. How cool is that? Anyways, if you're watching this in class and have questions, please feel free to ask. Or if you are watching this on YouTube, first off, heckin' thanks for watching on YouTube, and maybe consider subscribing to get more content from EduCenter. Also, I don't know, leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.